Danger on the east side. Go, go, Koro squawked. The warriors rushed east, but the enemy attacked from the west. Another day. Attack, they are weak, he shouted. The Lumb warriors charged right into a trap. And each time the villagers limped home defeated. Koro perched on a branch, shaking with silent laughter. Whispering to himself, "Falls." The Lumb grew confused. Their unbeatable record was now full of losses. Weeks passed. One stormy evening, a weak fluttering sound echoed near the village gate. It was Eku, dirty, injured, feathers scattered. But alive, he croaked. "I must warn you." He flew into the meeting grounds just as Koro was giving another false report. The villagers gasped. Two parrots, same face, same voice. But Eku stood tall despite his injuries, and with a proud voice he cried, "I am Eku, son of the wind. This one is a traitor." Koro hissed and tried to escape, but the warriors caught him. With his last bit of strength, Eku revealed the enemy's true attack plan. The warriors prepared. That night, when the Dogo clan came thinking Lumb was blind and broken, the Lumb warriors rose like a storm. They reclaimed their honor. They defended their land. They won. And the next morning, the village gathered around Eku, now resting safely on the chief's arm. The chief raised his staff. Lumb will fall only when truth falls. And today truth stood firm. The drums returned. The people danced. And Eku, now with new feathers and renewed pride, became the symbol of wisdom and resilience for generations.